Good morning, dear children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Welcome to Social Online Class. Today we are going to continue Chapter 5. In the last session, we have completed the first part of Chapter 5. Now we are going to continue the next part. Okay? Yes. What's the title of the lesson? India Physical Features. Can you remember? India Physical Features. Okay. Yes. What are the physical features of India? Yes. Can you say what are the physical features of India? Can you remember? Did you go through the book? Yes. I hope you have read the book thoroughly, right? Okay. The physical features of India are the mountains, the plateaus, the deserts, the islands, and the plains. Can you remember all these, children? Can you remember? I hope you remember all these, right? Okay. See here, what are the natural regions of India? The northern mountain ranges, the northern plains, the Great Indian Desert, the plateau region, the coastal plains, and the islands. In the last session, we have studied about the northern mountain ranges and the northern plains. Yes? In this session, we are going to learn about the Great Indian Desert, the plateau region, the coastal plains, and the islands. You can see the image of northern mountains. India is bordered in the north by the Himalayas. The Himalayas are divided into three parallel ranges. What are they? The Himadri range, the Himachal range, and the Shivalik range. That is the greater Himalayas, the lesser Himalayas, and the lower Himalayas. You can see the image of northern plains, right? Yes, northern plains are otherwise known as what? Indo-Gangetic plains. Northern plains are otherwise called as Indo-Gangetic plains. Okay. Most of India's wheat, rice are grown here. Hence, these plains also called what? Food bowl of India. Northern plains are also called as the food bowl of India because most of the wheat and rice are grown in this region. Understand? No. Yes. You can see the picture of the Great Indian Desert. The Great Indian Desert is otherwise known as what? Thar Desert. The Great Indian Desert is otherwise known as Thar Desert. Okay. It is situated in the state of Rajasthan. It lies in the state of Rajasthan. This region receives very less rainfall. Okay. This region receives very less rainfall. Clear? Yes. Camel is used for transportation. It is used as a caravan. Okay. So, camel is known as the ship of the desert. Have you seen a camel? Camel is known as the ship of the desert. Okay. Yes. Oasis. What is meant by oasis? What is meant by oasis? Have you heard this word ever before? Yes, oasis is a fertile spot in the desert with having plenty of water. Okay, oasis is a fertile spot with plenty of water. Trees such as date palms and crops such as wheat, barley are grown here. Okay, the people live there were nomads. Okay, nomads means what? Migrative people. People who come from other places for living. Understood? Yes. Now we come to the topic, the plateau region. What is meant by the plateau region? Can you say? What is a plateau? Yes, a plateau is a raised part of land having slopes on other sides, right? Plateau region is otherwise known as tableland. Plateau region is otherwise known as tableland. Okay. In this plateau region, we have many seasonal rivers such as Mahanadi, the Godavari, the Krishna, the Kaveri and the Narmada rivers flow through this plateau region. Okay, yes. This plateau region is very rich in black soil and red soil. It has large plantations such as tea, coffee and rubber. This plateau region is very rich in minerals. This plateau region's forests provide us wood, herbs and fruits. Okay, have you understood about this plateau region? Plateau region is otherwise known as tableland. It is a raised part of the land having slopes by the sides. It has many seasonal rivers, Mahanadi, the Godavari, the Krishna, the Kaveri, Tapti. Okay, this plateau region is very rich in black soil and red soil. It has large plantations such as tea, coffee and rubber and rich in minerals. Clear? Okay. Now we come to the topic, the coastal plains. Does it look beautiful? I hope so. Yes? Okay. A coast is a stretch of land bordering the sea. Okay, a coast is a stretch of land which borders the sea. You can see the sea area by the side in this pic, right? Okay. The western coast lies between the Western Ghats and the Arabian Sea. The eastern coast lies between the Bay of Bengal and the Eastern Ghats. These two coastal plains meet at the southernmost point called Kanyakumari, which is our district. Okay, we are in the southernmost tip of India. Okay, yes. Many crops such as rice, coconut, rubber and cashew nut are grown here. Fishing is also an important occupation of the people in this region. Do you like fish? Yes, right? Okay. It is the important occupation of the people in the coastal plains. Okay, yes. Can you see this image? What is that? It is an island. What is an island? Island or pieces of land with water on all sides. Island or pieces of land with water on all sides. Yes. Have you ever gone to an island? Yes. Can you say some example of islands? Andaman and Nicobar, Lakshadweep Islands, Maldives, etc. Right? These are also a tourist spot. The group of islands are famous for tourist spots due to the pleasant climate and the beauty of their beaches. Okay. It is a tourist spot. People from other countries visit the island as a tourist place. It is a good income for the government also. It's a good source of income for the government also. Okay. Yes. Now we come to the end of this lesson, physical features of India. Can you name the boundaries of India? You have already studied the physical features of India. Can you say what are the boundaries of India? What are the boundaries of India? India is bordered by Himalayas in the north, Indian Ocean in the south, Bay of Bengal in the east and the Arabian Sea in the west. Okay, these are the boundaries of India. Once again, India is bordered by Himalayas in the north, Indian Ocean in the south, Bay of Bengal in the east and the Arabian Sea in the west. Okay. Now, can you say the physical features of India? Can you say the physical features of India? Mountains, plateaus, deserts, islands and plains. Okay, yes. In this chapter, we have studied about 6 natural regions of India also. What are the 6 natural regions of India? The northern mountain ranges, the northern plains, the Great Indian Desert, the plateau region, the coastal plains and the islands. Yes, have you understood this topic? Yes. Please go through the lesson once again. Read the lesson carefully. Read the spellings, point your fingers over the line and try to complete the book back exercises. Understood? We'll discuss the answers in the next class. If you have any doubt, you can call me or text me in my private number. Understood, children? Hope you are all studying well, right? Did you go through the lesson at least once? Is social very boring? Very boring? I hope no, right? Okay. All are very good children, right? Are you obeying your parents? Are you studying well? Okay, don't play with your mobile phone. Please obey your parents and study the portions regularly. Understood? Yes? Okay. Okay, children. See you in the next class. Hope you will do well. Thank you. Bye-bye.